Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show how to make realistic voice for motion design or explainer animations. Let's get started. So friends, after opening Capcut, go to here text and click default text. Let's click here for add to track and go to here and let's write our text. For example, do you want to learn After Effects with Nijat Ibrahimli? So I will show my YouTube channel. Let's go. Okay, after write text, go to text to speech. Let's click here. And there are more voice artists, and let's for example click Charlie.
Do you want to learn After Effects with Nijat Ibrahimli? So, I will show my YouTube channel. Let's go.
Okay, very nice. Let's try Chris.
Do you want to learn After Effects with Nijat Ibrahimli? So, I will show my YouTube channel. Let's go.
Okay, very nice. Very good. So let's try Alex.
Do you want to learn After Effects with Nijat Ibrahimli? So, I will show my YouTube channel. Let's go.
Okay, very good. So after this, we can go to export and we can export MP4 or MOV for our animations. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.